Alright, this is a really good program to have. Now I'll explain why. Let me just minimize this for a second. I was using Glare Utilities, and right here it scans for Glare Utilities scans for programs you need to update. It says Python needs to be updated. Well, let's check. Anyway, it says Python needs to be updated. It was what I was using. I use another program now, and then patch my PC. Now, not the worst way to update, but basically, I'll redo it. But with Glare Utilities, I go here and then it tells you to download, so then now you gotta download. So you gotta manually download, which is not a huge deal. And once it downloads, then you've got to go over here and install. Which still not a huge issue, but you don't have to go through these two steps yourself in Patch My PC. And we're going to go into Patch My PC here in a second. So then you have to rescan. You can see it's kind of slow at scanning. You saw when I scanned a second ago, or a few minutes ago, it was pretty slow. And I wasn't using Glare Utilities for updating software. So, anyway, go to Patch My PC. And if you're downloading it for your home use, you go to Home Users, click Download Patch My PC Home Updater. This never changes now and again as they improve it. So save that. Now I've got it downloaded, but my microphone wasn't working. I've got my microphone working, so now I'm doing this again. So we'll just save that. That's downloaded, so I'll go to my Downloads folder. Anyway, get rid of all this junk while I'm at it. This is one of the things I use Glare Utilities for. That's not what I meant to do. I meant to wipe with Glare Utilities. So, erase now. Anyway, Patch My PC, just take it, put it where you want it. I've been putting it in this folder. Place it. You don't have to install this. It'll just put a log in the file folder that you put it in. You just run it. That's all you do. No installation, and it shows a bunch of apps that people recommend that you install when you put together a new Windows computer and you're got done installing Windows. And I want to check, and under developer, I guess Python's not recommended normally. I use Python for, I believe I use it for making Amiga disks for the Grease Weasel, I think. I don't remember. I need Python, I just don't remember what for. Let's see. And if you don't have the program, anyway, it scans everything that you got installed, and when something's out of date, it will let you update it. It'll tell you that you need to update some update some software, and then this button right here will let you update it. Let's see if there's anything. Let's do Winamp. So I chose Winamp. I don't have it installed, but I chose it, so it says there's one app to install. But this is the button right here. This will do all your. If it says anything's up here needs to be updated or installed, then it's up. This button will change to perform how many ever updates. So just press that button, and then wait for the magic to happen. You don't have to download or install the program. This app will do the whole shebang for you. Now, if it's not in this list here, then you have to go out and find it and install it yourself. But if it's in this list, you can do that. But this also does find updates for programs that you have installed that they didn't list. Now, under options, you can use this off of a flash drive. If you go under options, if you have it running off a flash drive and use it, and you have multiple computers in your home, then you can append the computer name to the log file, and then you'll know which computer log is what. Of course, you can do verbose logging. I thought that you could enable this to start up with the computer when Windows boots, but you cannot. It might be something you can do in the paid version, but this one, now it will minimize to the tray once you've closed it. So if you want it to stay running on your computer, then you can do that. But it will not, it doesn't look like it shows any options of being addable to start up. Like, now what I'm talking about is, let me find it, my add-on manager for World of Warcraft, for instance. You can go into settings, and there is a way where there was. Yeah, manager, FGM manager, automatic.